Hi, it's Elena Gordon with Gordon Group Real Estate Team, and today is Tip Tuesday. As a summer ending, we need to get ready for fall and common winter. And today, I want to give you 4 roof maintenance tips. Tip number 1. Make sure you clean out the gutters. You might have some damage from the winter months or harsh storms, so in order for the water to run seamlessly off your roof, you want to check out for the damages or blockages. Tighten loosened bolts to avoid leakage or potential flooding. Tip number 2. Cut away branches. Cut back any large limbs that could fall on your roof and do serious damage. Even though a tree may look big and healthy, storm can easily cause this to break. It's best to be on the safe side and cut away branches that are too close to your home. Tip number 3. Check for damaged shingles. Look for any missing shingles that are cracked or torn. This can cause leakage and increase your risk of mold. Repair and replace when necessary, and follow up by checking your attic for any mold starting. Tip number 4. Maintain your skylight. If you have a skylight in your house, it's important to check it regularly. Start by inspecting the metal stripping, making sure there aren't any leaks. Then check for any cracks in the glass. Since these windows aren't constantly in our view, it's easy to miss chips or cracks caused by hail. Keeping up with regular maintenance is key to ensure your roof will be in good shape for a long time. That's all for today. See you next Tuesday.